Welcome to Mini Minds TV! Hello, little learners! Today, we're going to learn some amazing kitchen tools. Are you ready? Let's explore! Look! This is a spoon. We use it to eat. Spoon!
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a glass. We use it to drink. Glass.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a cup. We use it to drink. Cup.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a plate. We use it for food. Plate.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a fork. We use it to eat. Fork.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a peeler. We use it to peel. Peeler.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a grater. We use it to grate. Grater.
Ready for the next one?
Look! These are tongs. We use them to pick up food. Tongs.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a rolling pin. We use it to roll dough. Rolling pin.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a potato masher. We use it to mash potatoes. Potato masher.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a spatula. We use it to flip food. Spatula.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a cutting board. We use it to cut food. Cutting board.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a gas stove. We use it to cook food. Gas stove.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a ladle. We use it for soup. Ladle.
Ready for the next one?
Look! These are chopsticks. We use them to pick up food. Chopsticks.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a knife. We use it to cut. Knife.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a tray. We use it to carry things. Tray.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a whisk. We use it to mix. Whisk.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a strainer. We use it to drain water. Strainer.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a garlic press. We use it to press garlic. Garlic press.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is a colander. We use it to drain water. Colander.
Ready for the next one?
Look! This is an apron. We wear it when cooking.
Apron. Don't forget to subscribe to Mini Minds TV. See you in the next learning adventure.